Yo, what is up guys, it's iHow here, and today we're gonna be showing how to allow open anywhere on Mac. So for example, you got a new Mac and you're just installing applications, programs, but it starts getting annoying because you have to click on open anyway. I'm just gonna put it on the screen right now. You have to click on open anyway every single time. You would imagine that it would automatically click on open anyway for you. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So on the bottom it will say anywhere. So first you're gonna go to terminal. Now you're gonna I'm gonna link this in the description, by the way. So you're gonna paste it here, copy and paste it here, enter. You're gonna password. Now it says globally disabling assessment system in system setting. Now you're gonna quit settings. Now you're gonna open system settings again, go to privacy and security. There should be anywhere right over there, and you're gonna do password, allow from anywhere. Yep, that's how you do it. You don't have to click on open anyway anymore. It's gonna do it for you. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always stay tuned for more. Like and comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, regular basis, all notifications.